Hey team, today I'm going to show you how to create this smooth 3D photo slide effect using my plugin. Before we get started, the link to download Camera3D Toolkit Pro is in the description below. If you want to recreate this exact effect, you can grab it right there. No wasted time. Let's jump right in. First, I'm going to double-click here to import my photos. Once the images are imported, it's very simple. Just drag and drop them into the timeline. As you can see, the image is a bit large inside the composition, so I'm just going to scale it down slightly to fit nicely in the frame. Now, I'm simply going to click on Quick button. With one click, the plugin automatically creates a camera, converts all layers into 3D, prepares the entire scene for animation, and just like that, everything is ready. Next, I'm selecting all my layers. I'll use the position slider to spread them out in 3D space. I'm slightly offsetting each layer to create depth. Now, I want to start my animation on this specific layer. To do that, I select the layer first, then click on Match. Now, let's move on to the animation. I select the first layer and click Target. Then I select the second layer, Target, then the third one, and look at that. Within seconds, the animation is automatically created. The camera smoothly transitions from one image to another without manually adding a single keyframe. Now, I'm not really happy with the background, so I'm going to create a new one. I right-click, go to New Solid, choose White, and click OK. Then, I place that solid layer underneath all the other layers. Immediately, the result looks much cleaner and more professional. To enhance the depth effect, I'm going to use the blur slider. This allows the layers that are further away from the camera to become slightly blurred. The more I increase the value, the stronger the depth of field effect becomes. The focus layer stays sharp, while the background layers become softer. It gives a much more cinematic feel. I can also use the opacity slider. I just select the layers I want to affect and adjust the opacity. Layers closer to the camera stay fully visible, while those further away become slightly transparent. This adds even more depth and realism. Personally, I prefer keeping the effect subtle and elegant, so I'll reduce the value slightly to maintain a clean and professional look. And that's it. In just a few clicks, we've created a smooth, dynamic 3D photo slide effect that's ready to use in any project. Again, if you want to try it yourself, the link to download Camera3D Toolkit Pro is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.